22 long rifle, birdshot, 25 grain, $9 for it, $9.90, Federal brand. There it is. Yep. 22 long rifle. Number 12 lead shot. Then that's smaller than what you can get on the shotgun. Oh no, just a minute, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. As you can see right here, number 12 is that small one right there. That's 7.5 shot. So it's pretty small. Here is the CCI's 31 grain pest control. Number 12. Same thing. But warning, they can get stuck in a revolver. And sometimes if you shoot them in a pistol, semi-auto, yes, they will get stuck. I got the little Jimenez and whatever little full can, just can't pull them out because they expand pretty good in there. They get wedged. That's all I got to say with this. I don't know if I'd be doing any testing with this because they're quite expensive and they're very hard to find. I traveled 37 miles to get this one box and I found them when they were short. But yes, I have shot these in town even. Yeah. Not none. I had 2 of them. That's it. See you later.